In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Constant Contact account. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Constant Contact sign-up page. This is the page where new users can create an account and begin setting up access to the Constant Contact dashboard. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the official Constant Contact website. This helps you make sure your account information is being entered in the right place. You should see a sign-up form on the page, along with fields where you can enter the basic information needed to create your account. Now that you are on the sign-up page, you are ready to start entering your account details. The first thing you will need to provide is your email address. Click inside the email address field, then type the email address you want to use for this Constant Contact account. This email address will usually be connected to your account access and account notifications, so use one that you can easily check and access when needed. After entering your email address, move to the password field. Here, enter a secure password for your new account. A secure password should be something that is not easy for someone else to guess. It is best to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, and to avoid using personal information that others might know. As you type, make sure you enter the password carefully. If the page includes any password requirements, such as a minimum length or special character, follow those requirements before moving forward. Once your email address and password are entered, the next part of the form will ask for your name. Click inside the first name field and enter your first name. Then click inside the last name field and enter your last name. This information helps personalize your account and may appear in your account settings or profile details later. Take a brief moment to review what you have entered so far. Make sure your email address is correct, your password has been accepted by the form, and your first and last name are spelled the way you want them to appear. After reviewing your information, look for the button that allows you to continue creating the account. This button may say something like Get Started or simply Started. Click that button to submit the information and begin creating your Constant Contact account. At this point, the page may take a moment to process your sign-up details. Wait for the next screen to load, and avoid clicking the button multiple times while the page is working. If you already have a Constant Contact account, you do not need to create a new one from this page. Instead, look for the Login option on the sign-up page. Click Login, and you will be taken to the login area where you can access your existing account. This is useful if you have signed up before and only need to get back into your dashboard rather than starting over with a new account. After you complete the sign-up process, your Constant Contact dashboard will be ready. This dashboard is where you can begin managing your account and accessing the tools available inside Constant Contact. From here, you can continue setting up your account and exploring the features provided on the platform. And that is all there is to it. You have now created a Constant Contact account, or learned how to log in if you already had one.